Activating notifications on Uber Eats is a simple process that helps you stay updated on your orders and promotions. Follow these steps to enable notifications easily. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. Look for the notifications or settings section within your account settings. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the switch to turn on notifications for order updates, promotions, and other alerts. You may also customize which types of notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Check device settings. If notifications are still not appearing, go to your device's settings. Find the Uber Eats app in your app list and ensure that notifications are enabled for the app. Now you're all set to receive notifications from Uber Eats. Enjoy your meals and stay informed about your orders.